Today's January 22nd, 2019, and this is episode 21 of PlaneSavers. Good morning, Yellowknife. It is a chilly minus 31 degrees Celsius, which is 24 degrees Fahrenheit here in Yellowknife. Beautiful sunrise, just touching the nose of LFR here, just outside to get my daily Instagram pic. I wanted to say hello to you guys today. We got another twin otter. Actually here, twin otters have been ruining the audio for the video. The Dash 7s, they've been taking a break, but here's the twin otter going by. I'll get a shot of it for you guys. Hey folks, that was a Royal Canadian Air Force twin otter on skis, just about to go out for a takeoff. Very suiting, because yesterday was all about the Royal Canadian Air Force and the Royal Air Force and everything. Big salute to the guys that are flying, same weather we're flying, but they're flying, the military birds, so big salute to those guys. And I'll get you guys a takeoff here. Hold on one second. Oh, look at that thing go. Let's go back inside and let's see what today has to bring. Okay folks, in the hangar today we have our King Air 100 just warming up. It's got a big charter tomorrow. We got the Electra inside, XFC. It's going to do a C check. And yeah, that's kind of what we got going on today. Today for me is going to be a kind of a busy, normal Buffalo workday. I got a couple meetings to go to. I got to do the Yellowknife Airport is getting into doing more cold weather testing, and we were lucky enough. We've had a lot of cool things come through the hangar, including the Bombardier C Series, which is now Airbus. It was here at the hangar. We have Porsche, Volkswagen, and I'm just trying to think of things that have pictures on Instagram so I could show you guys. But yeah, all those cool companies have been here, and I'm working with the Yellowknife Airport Authority. We're going to try to get more companies come to Yellowknife and do your cold weather testing. So if you have a company that needs cold weather testing, let me know and I'll get you in touch with the right people. Maybe you can use the hangar, and yeah, we can hang out. So hopefully that's cool. I'm going in right now. Today's topic, because of yesterday, yesterday is such an amazing episode. I love yesterday's. It's how viewers can interact with Buffalo Airways, and if you've seen just the end of the last episode, I got Ace Combat 7, which is I played last night. Amazing game. There is a way for people of all around the world to fly Buffalo Airways airplanes from the comfort of their own home. So basically, you can get on a computer and you can fly almost all of the airplanes. So let me go in and I'll give you guys a sneak peek on what you can do with Buffalo Airways Virtual. So here we are on the Buffalo Airways Virtual website. As you can see, this is like your one-stop shop for anything about flying DC-3 airplanes, any Buffalo Airways airplanes online. So here we are. We're on the fleet page. As you can see, we got a DC-3. There's seven different DC-3s, 3 different C-46s, 4 different DC-4s, 3 different DC-4 air tankers, our DC-6 swingtails. So this is actually a good opportunity. A lot of people have been asking me about the swingtail DC-6, and what makes it a swingtail is that actually back here it swings open, and it was designed, I believe, in England for moving vehicles across the English Channel. I may be wrong on that, but yeah, so that's this airplane. We bought it from Alaska. It's sitting in Hay River, and we haven't flown it. It has to be imported into Canada. As you can see back here, it's got an N number. But yeah, so all the questions about the DC-6, it's still in Hay River. and it hasn't moved since it was on Ice Pilot. So hopefully that answers your question. Okay, we got the CL215, one of my personal favorite. There's 6 different CL215s you can operate. The Lockheed Electras. We got 4 Lockheed Electras that are available. Yeah, here's the P3. It's our bird sitting in California. Hopefully it's going to be fighting fire in the U.S. Next year. We got our Beach Baron and the Cessna on Amphib floats. And look at this. Why is there a de Havilland Vampire on this site? The reason is because my dad actually has a de Havilland Vampire, and it's for sale. So if you guys want a de Havilland Vampire, please let me know in the comments. My dad's Northern Norseman, Mark V for Victory. It's available. You can fly that around. And our Turbo Commanders, which we use for bird dogs. So that's a good little introduction to Buffalo Airways Virtual. I highly recommend anybody in the flight sim community to check it out. Join up. They say it's the only virtual airline that is connected to the real airline. These guys have our full support, and there's a lot of really cool community, a lot of really cool people that run this. So it would actually mean a lot to me if you would continue to support these guys, because these guys are the grassroots hardcore fans. So thank you for Buffalo Airways Virtual for keeping this archive of Buffalo Airways airplanes alive. So let's move on. I got a special treat for you. You know what? I can't even describe it. I'll just show you. How this all started, no pun intended, is a gentleman named Matthew sent me an email. He runs MATTDESIGN, which makes these X-Plane model versions of the DC-3. And he was saying he was watching PlaneSavers, and there wasn't one available. So he actually built JKM because of watching the show. So here's some footage he shot for me, which is like realistic. If you weren't looking at it too closely, you'd swear this is real life. I showed my brother Rod, and he actually thought some of this footage was real. So this is the kind of stuff that you can do right now, and I'm going to provide a link in the description. I know it's not the world's easiest thing. It does require some technical knowledge, but hey, you're watching this on a computer. You know how to use a computer. Check out the links and check out all the amazing stuff the flight sim community has to offer. Okay, now here's the surprise. Check this out. This is DTD. This is our airplane in Montreal that the whole PlaneSavers series is about, the one we're going to go rescue. My good buddy Paul White spent the time and actually did a paint job of our airplane as it sits in Montreal with, just the horrendous way it sits right now. He didn't spray paint the windows, I noticed, so that would have been a really good touch. But he does have the curtains in there, which is really cool. Yeah, this is just amazing, and this is available for download. I'm going to provide you a link. Let's just see how this thing flies. The funny part is, you can actually, right now, today, download this and fly this airplane. No, you don't have to wait till D-Day. You don't have to wait until June 6th. You can go and do this right now. So big thank you to Paul White for painting this airplane. Just a fantastic job, and I couldn't be more happier. So let's sit back, relax, and kind of picture ourselves in June 6th, and if we can get this airplane flying, hopefully it will look like this. Well, folks, that was just a test. Hopefully we can do this for the real thing, and hopefully you enjoyed that little montage. Okay, everybody, hopefully you liked that. Please check out all the links in the description and go to BuffaloAirwaysVirtual.com if you want to fly some Buffalo Airways airplanes. Now I just got a quick eBay update. There was some guy that made a fake account and bid up the sheet a little high, so and then canceled his bid. So it was kind of shady. So whoever did that, if you're watching, please don't do that again. So the previous highest bidder and I were communicating on email, and we decided just to end the bid and start fresh. So the PlaneSavers title card is back on eBay, linked down below. Thank you guys for supporting everything we're doing here. We are a community, and yeah, today was a tough day for a lot of reasons. And, let's see what today has to bring. First off, I just want to dedicate this video to the gentlemen who lost their lives yesterday in the DC-3 crash. It's a terrible thing that's happened, and I know that a lot of people in the comments and watching PlaneSavers knew the pilots really well and knew the airplanes really well. So I just wanted to say, yeah, I'm very sorry that has happened, and like stuff like this affects the whole community. So yeah, words can't really describe how the world feels when something like that happens. And I just wish everyone that can